Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. This one concerns flush pipes. It's the pipe that connects the toilet cistern to the WC pan. And they've always been a source of trouble, you know, they always get leaks, and it seems to happen quite often, which I think means we're all quite pleased we've got close couples come along where you don't have this flush pipe, but they have their own troubles, so don't worry. Anyway, looking at these, what's the main source of leaks? Well, usually these things. This is the rubber insert that goes on the back of the pipe here, slides over, it's always tight going. It goes in like that, and that goes in the back of the WC pan. Quite often what can happen is this pipe, when it's fitted in the very first instance, gets cut too short. When that happens, this pipe would always want to fall out the back of the pan with every flush. But it's not right in tight and rigid, it just keeps easing back out until it starts to leak. If you put more than one of these on over a couple of years, then it more likely is the fact that the actual flush pipe is cut short. Best thing then is just get another one and put a complete new one in at a longer length. Just get the old one but make it probably an inch longer, and if it's too long just work your way back with a saw till you get it the right length, and that will sort you out. So what's the other thing? Well, these things, these plastic ones, are not very nice. They don't last all that long anyway. Now you can get rubber of these now. They're called bungs, WC bungs we call them. And you can get a rubber one which is much better and holds a lot firmer. If you do get any problems with these though, and you find you still get a little weep even though it's cut the right size, but that's all you've got, you couldn't get a rubber one because they're getting hard to get hold of now, then I always go for my trusty friend, a bit of plumber's mate, and just put a little ring of it around there, around the outside there, and when you push it in it should all squeeze out of the back piece here. When it all squeezes out, get rid of the excess and push it in, and that always does it for me anyway, if that's a problem for you. Now on the top of it, if you get a leak running down from the actual siphon, then it's usually this nut here. We've got a little rubber washer, and it's that we need renewing. It goes up cone ways like that. You've got a shape to it, and it kind of fits over like that. It inserts into the siphon quite a way, and then you just do that up into it. Okay, and that should be fine. So it's usually only this washer. If that is leaking from there, you can use PTFE tape around it if it's not a very good fit, and usually that will take any leaks up from there as well. Do make sure the siphon itself is tight in the cistern, and make sure that, because you'll be able to see it running down the outside of the pipe and the thread coming down onto this, so you'll know if it's that. But generally they're the two problems, and quite an easy fix. That's it though, just a good little quick simple one for you, and catch you next time. Videos, Derek from 33. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye.